Hey everyone, my name is Allison. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, it's very nice to meet you. I post videos every Sunday, so make sure you subscribe down below. Today's video is going to be a bit more casual. I really need to clean my room. Things have just been piling up. I feel like I'm running out of space to store things, so I just want to go through everything, see if there's anything I need to take care of, see what I can get rid of. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I also got new bedding that I want to put on my bed. It's just going to be a super calm day. The sun is actually coming out now, but it was a bit cloudy this morning. So I'm going to light a candle so my room smells great. I'm going to make some coffee so I have energy, and I'm going to get started. So if you want some inspiration for cleaning your room, or if you just want a relaxing video to watch, then keep watching. To start with my vanity desk area, which is where I do all of my work. I usually sit here pretty much every day, and I'm on the computer, I'm editing, whatever it is, and it's just a bit of a mess right now. So I'm going to start with that. I'm going to go through all of these drawers. I have this bag this morning from when I ran an errand, got to put those pants away, put the curler away, all of that. These 4 drawers out of my vanity. They have so much stuff in them. I think it'll just be easier to take everything out, go through them, and then put them back when they're all neat and organized. This is what I'm looking at. Here are the empty ones. The reason that the inside is orange is because I painted it. It used to be like that yellowish orange color with flowers on the outside, but I actually painted the whole thing white with chalk paint, and I love it. Anyway, I think I'm going to organize these into categories. There's just so many different loose ends here, so let's do that now. I also feel like everyone is gonna make fun of me for the way I say draw. I know it's pronounced drawer, but I can't say that. My parents both say draw. That's the way I've said it my whole life. I know it's drawer. I just say draw, but I'm talking about one of these things. Okay, now it's a bit more organized. This is like the graveyard of my old life in the city. I have all my keys for the apartment in the city, everything like that. I have my Metro card, my ID for where I used to work. That, I don't know, that's just gonna have to stay in a corner until I'm ready to go back to my old life. This whole section here is art supplies. This is a pile of empty cards, blank cards that I can use whenever I need them, and this is to wrap a present with. It's a bow for a present. This over here is what we'll call girly maintenance stuff. Jewelry, nail polish, lotion. Over here we have office supplies. I have scissors, whiteout, Post-its, then just some papers that I need to go through. And this is my little computer tech corner. I have my hard drives and my headphones. Looking at it now, I don't know, I don't feel much better. I still don't know where to put all this, but maybe I can find some different homes so it's not shoved into these guys. Okay, this is where I'm at so far. I feel like I'm doing pretty good because these 2 are full and I still have 2 empty ones, one big one, one small one. and not too much stuff left. I put all my art supplies into this one, and then I put different books. I have different papers. This is colored pencils. I put that into this big one. It's the only one they fit in. If you know who this is, then leave a comment down below. He draws these little like cartoon comics. They're of aliens, but they kind of make a statement on how crazy and funny human life is. So yeah, it's really cute, and we're a big fan of Nathan Pyle. Okay, I am doing great. I have those random flowers that I don't know where to put them, but everything else is full. I mean, there's a little extra room in here, there's a bit extra room in here. So it really just took some reorganizing. I didn't really get rid of anything. If you're wondering why I didn't organize these two drawers, it's because that's where I keep my socks and underwear. They're already pretty organized, so I didn't feel like I had to go through them. I am going to be putting this jewelry in a jewelry box I have. I don't know why it was stored in here, but okay, I need 2 hands for this. This is the jewelry that I had in there, and I have this jewelry box, which my friend got for me as a gift, and it's pretty old, so I don't exactly know what's inside. There's some treasures in here. Actually, this was from my grandma. That was from my grandma. This is my favorite. This is from my other grandma. It's making so many reflections. It's so pretty. I have the pick from Rooney. We saw them in concert, and I was able to collect their pick. Shout out if you like them. I have a little necklace in there, but I feel like there is some room for some more stuff in here. Oh my gosh, it fits perfectly. That is very satisfying. This is actually a hair tie. It goes around your ponytail instead of something like this. And these I'm going to store somewhere else. So that's great, everything fits. Okay, now for the top of this, which isn't looking too bad. I have some hair ties, papers, my 2020 planner that is basically empty. I have this really cute pen my boyfriend got it for me. It's from this shop called With Love Shop. They have really cute stuff. That's actually also where I got this planner. These headphones I'm going to put back here. If you're wondering why I have 2 headphones, don't ask me, ask Apple. My computer has this little circle, and my phone has this little jack thingy. So yeah, I have 2 headphones for that. Yay. Here I have, what do I even have in here? This is also from my jewelry shop, Nora Jewelry Studio. It's a really pretty pin. Okay, this corner we have a memory card, which is 1 gigabyte, and that is like 3.5 pictures. So I don't even know why I have this, but it's going to go in here with the text stuff. I think I'm gonna take all the pens out and wash out the mug and use it as an actual mug, because this isn't a super big space, so I feel like I just want more surface area. Obviously the flowers take priority over the pens. That is not a question, you know? Okay, so this is pretty much done. Those notebooks I'm just going to leave out for today because I know I'm going to be using them later, but everything else looks pretty good. Moving on to the bed, which I have to make, but that new comforter is going to go on, so I didn't want to make it until I was putting that on. I think I'm also going to go through this drawer. I have such random things in there, literally a pumpkin. There actually wasn't that much stuff in there. I have a couple headbands. This is a remote for lights I have. I have the Breakfast at Tiffany's eye mask. What Would Audrey Do book. I have these lights, a pumpkin, and a Game Boy DS, which I don't know why this is in my night table, but it's been in my night table forever, since Game Boy DSs were in. And I have all these games. I feel like once a year I rediscover this and I'm super excited by it and play my Game Boy DS for like a week straight, and then I never touch it again until the next year. Like, oh my God, this Mary-Kate and Ashley game, that is great content. Anyway, I think I'm gonna shove this in my closet so it's not taking up valuable space next to my bed. So let's clear some of this out, make some room. On top, I don't know, it's not very pretty. I want it to look a little nicer. I think I'm gonna try to sort something out with this because I don't love the way it looks. So I just switched out the little photo that was in this picture frame. I put the candle in front of it and I kept my lip balm there, and it just looks a lot neater, so I'm happier with that. Now for the best part, I think this is gonna make the biggest difference. I'm going to put that new comforter on my bed and see how it looks. Super pleased with the way it looks. And this bedding was from Target and it was $15. It was on sale, but it's pretty soft and I just wanted something easy and lightweight for the summer, and this will do. It's perfect. I have a bunch of these shoe boxes for the new shoes that I got in my Cute and Comfortable shoe review. So go check out that video if you haven't already. But I feel like I have to keep these boxes because I haven't worn some of the shoes out yet. And in case I do want to return them, I want to have the box. So I think those might just have to stay there for a little while longer. But I can put away my tripod case, which is here. I could put this away in the closet. This is a bit of mishmash of stuff. This is actually a plant holder that my lovely boyfriend's sister made for me. So you put the pot, it kind of sits right in there, and this gets hung up. But we don't have a pot for it right now, so we haven't hung it up yet, but I want to. So this is going to stay in the closet until we get the right pot for it and we can hang it up. Okay, this shelf, I want to redo it. I want to buy some new art for it. The reason, well, okay, I have one shoe here and one shoe down there. I just threw those shoes up there because I really love the way they look and I just wanted to look at them. I don't know, I don't think they should be up there. However, the reason my iPad is up here, so I was testing out different posters from Jamie Beck. She's a photographer. She lives in France, and I want to buy one for here. They're actually pretty big, so it's gonna be, I don't know, maybe this tall in real life, but I wanted to see which one I liked the best. So this is one of the ones I'm choosing between, and I'm going to order that and frame it and put it here. So I'll put that away, I'll put the shoes away, and this will be a little neater. So in here, this is pretty organized. I think this is okay. I have some sewing supplies. This is a paper cutter because if I take my sewing machine out, I put it on here. Down here, I have some extra fabric. And then this is my gel manicure set, and here is some nail polish. But that's pretty organized, not too much in there. This lamp just kind of has to stay here because we are looking for a little side table for it to stand on. It's kind of a weird height. Under here, I have to return this shelf to Home Depot. And then in here, I have a box of printouts that I made. These are flyers of different ways you can help the movement. So I have to go and hang those up around the neighborhood. My friend was gonna help me do that. I think we'll do that this weekend, so I'm just going to keep those down there for now. But soon this box will be cleared and all the flyers will be up. watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I feel so much better now that my room is more organized. I have more space to put different things. I feel like my papers are more organized. I know where everything is, and I really just love cleaning. It always makes me feel so much better. It makes me feel in control of my life in a world where I cannot control things. So I really hope that this helped you to maybe give you a little motivation to clean up your room. I promise it feels really great. I hope that you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Like I said, I post videos every Sunday, so I'll see you there next week. Bye!